Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to start a new poem, The Last Bargain, written by a famous Indian poet Rabindranath Tagore. It is very easy and short poem. I am going to tell you a story first. Please listen to me carefully. First of all, I would like to tell you what is bargain. Bargain is an agreement in which both parties promise to do something for each other. यानी एक एग्रीमेंट है जिसके अंदर दो पार्टी प्रॉमिस करती है कोई काम करने का किसी दूसरे के लिए, जिसको आप यू कैन से इन इजी वर्ड मामला है, सौदा. So please listen to me carefully. The poem is about someone looking for a job. He wants to be hired without losing his freedom. The poet tells us that he received offers from the rich, the powerful and the beautiful, but he rejected all of them. At last he met an innocent child. He quickly accepted his offer. The first offer came from a king early in the morning. He had more power than wealth. The king has more power than wealth. He offered the man his power in return for the man's labor. The man felt that the king's might was not worth so much, so he refused the king's offer. The second offer came in the midday, when it was really very hot. An old man offered him a lot of gold in return for his labor. The man was not much impressed. The wealth did not attract him, so he refused that offer. Then it was evening. There was natural beauty all around. There were flowers in the hedge. A beautiful girl came to the man. She gave a pretty smile. She offered to give the man her smiles in return for his labor. However, the man found that her happiness was only sorrow in disguise, so he refused that offer also. At last, the man came to the seashore. There he found a child playing with shells. The child offered to take his service in return for nothing. The man accepted the offer because while playing with the child was still a free man. Okay, thanks, goodbye.